Creating such high quality cinematic ad for your product is now pretty easy, and in this video I'll give you a proper tutorial on how you can do it with just help of ChatGPT's latest image model, which is free. Alright, to make these kind of high quality advertisement, we need a proper product, proper storyline, and proper conceptual visual. So first thing, I will go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I'm making a Diet Coke ad. I want three different scenes. First scene, I want a young, guy finds a mystery box on the road. So give me an image prompt for 3x3 grid image having those shots. Now I say 3x3 grid, so now I will have consistent shot of the same character. So now ChatGPT gave me this first prompt and I'll show you how this entirely works. So first scene prompt says, hey, cinematic 3x3 grid storyboard showing a young man discovering a mysterious box on an empty urban street at golden hour. And you can see some of the details are pretty interesting, like low angle shot of the mysterious box, and the sixth shot should be over the shoulder, and these kind of details will make these shots videos ultra cinematic. And once I copy it, I'll simply go to ChatGPT's another tab, and then I will click on this image icon on the plus side, and once it get, I will just simply paste this image prompt, and once I do, it will quickly create a proper 3x3 grid image prompt. And you can see the first image on your screen. It's a proper golden hour, all the street is silent, sunlight is on shoes. You can see the sixth scene is the guy finally seeing the mystery box, having earphone, and you can see the character consistency is insanely cool. Now we finally got an idea how we can make these 3x3 grid images, and then we will convert them into a proper video ad. Now let's go to another scene I want to create. So this type of scene, I will say, make this character go sit in his room and then open this mystery box which has Diet Coke in it. And ChatGPT gave another interesting prompt like, hey, another 3x3 shots of a hyper-realistic moody interior lighting, and the close-up of the box resting on the table reflecting red lights. It's almost as similar to the themes of your product. You can take any product. I'm for now example taking Diet Coke because it's one of the most recognized one. And once I take this prompt, I go to again ChatGPT, paste it here, and now another shot I have ready. You can see the character consistency is very insane. You will not find this in any other image model beside ChatGPT Image 2. Now once we have these two shots, time for another scene, then another image scene where this guy finally opens this entire mystery box, and it gives you a proper end of this entire cinematic ad lore. And you can see right now the last image I generated is totally showcase of the product, splashing Diet Coke, and our guy is finally drinking. And once we have these scenes ready, it's time for properly making them into video. How would we make them video? Let's talk about it. So first of all, we'll go to ChatGPT again and say, hey, can you give me a VO3 image to video prompt? I will get a proper image to video prompt. How we'll go this? We'll go to simply flow.google.tool. So it's the tool that helps you to create VO3 high quality videos. And once we are here, you can see the interface is pretty much similar to all the AI tools you use almost daily. You can see on the bottom here's an input box. Here you can select video, you can select a VO3 fast. If you want more better quality, you can select quality, but remember it asks more credits. Fast is almost very much okay. And once we select it, it's time to get here our prompts. So I'll go simply to ChatGPT. It gave us a proper prompt from each scene. So I will just simply copy these prompts from ChatGPT. I'll paste in this flow tool, and I'll also paste those 3x3 grid shots we generated from image v2. And once we have all this collection, we'll just simply paste this enter button, and we will have different videos. So let's see the first image video shot we got. Consistency, a proper detailed. I'm already in love how closely VO3 captured the entire essence of the video. Now for example, I will just go to another scene to prompt and generate another scene video of 3x3 grid, and the last scene which we created, scene number 3, which will reveal our product and our character will drink this Diet Coke. Now our entire proper scenes are ready, and it's time to see them in a very collected manner. What we'll do, we just compile them, go to your editing software. For example, I'm using CapCut, it's free. completely fine. Here you will just add our 3 imports video we downloaded from VO3, and once we have them, we can simply add each one by one. For example, our first scene would be the guy walking, finding out the mystery box. Second would be sitting in his room and opening the mystery box, and the third would be finally opening and getting the shots of our main product. Now once we have this, we will join them. You can use any transition, and you can see the background music is already perfect. But if you think you can add better music, you can simply go to the Gemini. It's very simple. Just click on this plus icon. Here you can see this music option. Select it. Now prompt your music, what kind of music you want. I would say, hey, can you make an intense cinematic music of a close-up shot and different kind of music. If you're expert in this, you can prompt yourself. If you don't know much about music like me, you can simply go to ChatGPT and describe your scene, and it will accordingly prompt the best music Gemini can give you. Once it has, you can download it and you can add it on your CapCut. Now we have a proper scene ready. Now not only this, I also made a few other ad too. For example, this advertisement I tried is already very much interesting. So this time I said, instead of Diet Coke, what if we try to use a perfume as a product? And it went really well. I said, hey, prompt the 3 scenes, 3x3 grid image. So it gave you first shot of a grid of a wide shot of a quiet minimal room, soft sunlight through the window. It's a proper setup which I give by ChatGPT to give you a proper 3x3 grid image, and you can see the image is insanely high quality. It's almost like a 4K image we are getting for free. You can see our character sitting. It slowly presses this perfume button and it sprays it all. Now I have such prompts more. For example, scene 2 prompt is pretty much concise. Scene 3 prompt is also pretty much at the final product of our perfume, which will reveal our product. And for now you can use any product names, but it's in case of you can use your own product. It will be much better and much more personalized. Now we have all these scenes. We will grid, we will do the same repetition which we did for the Diet Coke. We'll these 3x3 grid images. Then we'll go to flow tool and prompt these type of stuff with the ChatGPT, and now we have the perfume video advertisement ready, and it is looking already really well. Well, I haven't stopped here too. I also went a little far ahead to see how far we can push this ChatGPT's new model, and I tried to make another use case product, which is earphones. So yeah, if you're an earphone brand, I know not so many people own the earphone brand, but it can give you idea how closely we can make such high quality product visuals. Now I'll go to again, I'll say, hey, make a lady, performing an earphone advertisement, and it will give you a proper 3x3 grid prompt, and go to ChatGPT. It will start giving you proper image of 3x3 grid of a woman going through the streets and holding the earphone, and you can see the background is like purplish because the theme of our product is a little bit blackish, darkish purple, a little bit more dark fantasy type. And once we have all these 3 grid images, we can go to again our flow tool. Our another video form is ready, and this time it's pretty good.
Unleash your sound.
If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.